Good morning, y'all. It's another trading day, so happy another trading day. I think it's like Wednesday. Yeah, y'all, I'm telling you, these days have been going by so fast, I can't even keep up. Like, it's crazy. We're about to hop on the charts, rinse and repeat, same strategy, and this beginner-friendly strategy has been keeping me profitable. Simply just going off of my targets, getting out when I hit my targets, and that's it. A profit is a profit. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if y'all need me to break down anything else. Let's get on these charts, y'all. Happy August. It's August 5th. It's 9:02 a.m. Y'all, the kids is in school. Now I can focus back on the charts and also focus back on helping y'all. I hope my other videos has been very helpful to y'all. So let's get into it. Y'all should know the routine by now because it's in my last two videos. That's what I've been doing, rinse and repeat. And if I haven't been seeing my setup, I haven't been trading. And I gotta change all the lists because y'all been practicing swing trading, y'all. So yeah, your girl is about to start swing trading, and y'all already know I'm gonna share the scoop with y'all, so don't worry. So anyway, we on our daily, and I'm looking at SoFi. You already know to mark that high and low of the daily, and then we jump down to our 4 hour and come over here to pre-market because that's what we're paying attention to. We're worried about just this zone right here, right in here. You can go ahead and be safe and do from here to up here because that's what I used to do, but I've been narrowing down everything and just breaking it down to the most recent because the way the market's been moving lately. No shade, but it's been mad choppy. I haven't been catching setups like that, to be honest. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing. So now we're on our 4 hour and we're gonna go ahead, since it's right there anyway, you can still go ahead, and I'm gonna make this orange so y'all can see everything clear. And we're gonna create this low right here, and then let's go ahead and label it. So this is the 4 hour high, which is right by the daily high, which is telling us what they want to, they on the uptrend right now. That's what I see. Okay, I'm only looking for buys, but we'll see what they do at open. And we got a 4 hour low. So that's our orange, right? So that's what we do in this 4 hour. We only mark up these, so that way we can have our 4 core, which is the daily high, 4 hour high, daily low, 4 hour low. Okay? All right. For my target, we're going to jump down to the 1 hour chart. Let me kind of minimize this. So if I'm targeting the highs today, y'all, I'm going to say this area right here. After it breaks out, because that's what we do, we're waiting on the breakout. And I'm going to target like right 19, because that's what I think I did yesterday. A little bit up. Again, this all is up to you, okay? This is all up to you what you target. The reason why I'm targeting it, because I see that they got up here before. And honestly, when you look, don't look too much to the left, but when you look right here, like they keep coming up to this area. You see that? So it's like another key level. This was also a key level. So that's why I'm waiting for them to break out of this. Like you see all of this, even up to now, what we marked up, we need to break out of this key level. So when we break out of this key level, we can target the highs up here, okay? So we got our 4 core out the way. And if you want, because I know some people do that too, they target, the lows even on buy days, they just take it down. So you would do the same thing. You would target a low underneath here. I would target this area right here. And then you got this big gap right here. I definitely would target like up to here. So let's just see how they move this morning. After that, y'all, I'll go down to my 15-minute. And we basically wait. I'm waiting for them to break outside of this zone and hold, and then I'll take it to my target area. When markets is moving so choppy like that, so I would recommend waiting on that 9:30 break marking the high and the low of that 930 candle and then taking that break. Like, whatever side it breaks on, so the 930 will form and you take it down or you take it up, whichever side, they decide to break, and then do that, just because of how the market's been moving. But today and yesterday, they've been showing like a crazy uptrend. I was actually teaching my stepdaughter yesterday, so that's why you see this in and out, showing her how to get in and out of the trades and stuff. So that's why I'm just waiting for these breaks of these highs and the holds. Remember, we still waiting on breaks and holds. That's about it. We got our markup, and now all we got to do is just wait for market to open. So I will be back. It is 9:12 right now, so I'll be back at 9:30 when market opens. All right, y'all, it's 9:30, and let's see what they do. I want to see a close outside of this, and then I would take it, like get in and take it to this target area. Ooh, y'all, it looks like someone's just trying to come in and prove a point. But so this is what I'll be looking for. I don't want this to go below pre-market low. They could come in all they want and come back to the zone, because guess what? It's a familiar area. So we got all this right here. This is a key level. Key levels also mean familiar areas, y'all. The same lingo, okay? I will look for them to bounce and then come back up if they make it all the way down here. Now, if they break outside of here and come here, that's another indication too that they want to actually go lower instead of higher. And this is still a no trade zone. We're not getting in a trade. Again, we're still waiting on this 930 to close, like fully close, so that way we can see where price wants to go. You hear what I'm saying? And today we got news, so I'm really trying to get off these charts by 11 o'clock. If the markets don't show me nothing, y'all, I'm just not gonna take a trade. Like, I'm not playing with it. Today they got news, and see, it looks like they want to come down here. So let's see what they do when they get right here. Okay, but yeah, so we just waiting on this to fully close. We got 8 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. It's staying above the 4-hour high. You see this candle? You can use that as a confluence, like, just to check it off your list. And then the daily high, your goal is for them to close above this daily high. You get what I'm saying? I hope I'm not like making it too complicated. And for the newbies, this is what I'm talking about with price. If you look over here, your daily high, which you can write down, which I think I'm gonna make a whole video on how I journal and write down my prices and stuff. If y'all would like that, just give me a thumbs up or something, or comment below and put share journal notes or something like that, and I'll do that. Other than that, I will not do it. I'm telling you, I'm just here to trade and show y'all what I do on a daily basis. This is what I'm talking about with price. You can also set your chart settings to show you how high, or you can literally mark up your own, previous day high, which I did. I marked up my own previous day high. Price is under the 1872, basically. That's why I want it above. I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for price to continue to go up, okay? And if I was looking for sells, I would look for it outside of these zones right here, or wait for a break outside of this zone and target this zone. You get what I'm saying? I hope that makes sense. This is all your price right here, and you just looking at where the market is going and what price it is. I am going to take this trade on my live account for Webull. Also forgot to mention, y'all, once this 930 candle close, I'm going to jump over here down to a smaller time frame. Like, you can go to your 5-minute or your 2-minute, whichever chart is better for you, okay? I'm going to come down to my 5-minute and wait for, my confirmation to get in. So again, we're still waiting on the candle close outside of the zone in order to get in and target this area right here. But yeah, that's when I go down. I wait for the 15-minute candle to close on the 930, and then I come down to a smaller time frame and wait for my break and holds, and then take it. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I can't read your minds, so I need y'all to start communicating in the comment section, so that way I can try to answer y'all questions to the best of my ability. Again, I share my experiences on the charts as I trade, what I see, and how I get in and out the trades. That's it. So if y'all have questions from what I'm sharing, go ahead and hit me up in the comment section, okay? And also utilize the link I left, I think is in my last video. I dropped the link in my comment section so you can send me a direct message here on YouTube. Nowhere else. I'm not nowhere else anyway. All right, we getting a break, y'all. So remember, waiting for a break and a hold outside of the zone. Got a minute and 30 seconds left, and then we will see. Okay, y'all, so it closed outside again, just like how it closed last time. So let's see what this candle do first. We might have a pullback. I'm looking for it to tap into here, like just tap into this, not really come all the way down here like this. I mean, if it does, then I'm still waiting, but I would get in off the rejection of it. So I want to see it come down, and I want to see buyers come in and push it up, and then I'll get in. And after I'm in, y'all, I like to watch the candles play out on my 15-minute chart. So that's what I'm going to do. Switch to my 15-minute, and I'm going to watch them play out from here. I don't like waiting on the lower time frame and watching my candles play out. I like to just wait and watch it on the 15. And now we just wait for it to hit our target, y'all. That's about it.